Girl, a whole vulture. Oh my God, two of them. Oh my God. Girl, you lying to me. Where he come from? And there's more. Girl, what are they here for circling around? Let me tell you something. Gambia be having some birds. You see how big they are? Y'all don't know how close I am to these vultures. This is off the chain. Look at these vultures. Wow. I hope you're not scared of birds if you come into the Gambia because they're all around you. Girl, I hope you like nature, birds, goats, because you're going to be in touch with all of that. Up in your face. Look at them. I think their wingspan is what's most impressive. I mean, it's a lot of things about the vulture that I find impressive. These are birds of prey. And they around here for a reason. They ready to eat. Dang. I couldn't take it if another one showed up. I would not know what to do. Oh, girl, let me go mind my business before they look back here and be like, what you taping us for? Oh, no, ma'am. But they don't attack people, though. That's the thing. Like, yes, they're birds of prey, but they're not trying to bother you. You can be the most vicious person, you know what I mean? But, you know, if you don't start none, won't be none. That's kind of how vultures roll. I like them. That's a lesson in that. You can be a killer, but if they don't bother you, you're the most peaceful person in the world. And that's the energy the vultures have. Like, they are just hanging out. They're here all the time. They live amongst the people. They live amongst the children, the babies right down there. But they're not bothering anybody. They just looking for food and looking for scraps. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ooh, look how big they are. Wow.